Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up the Brother ADS-3350W document scanner step by step. We will cover unboxing and checking the components, connecting the scanner, setting language, connecting to Wi-Fi, installing Brother software, performing your first scan. So if you just purchased the Brother ADS-3350W scanner, follow this guide carefully to complete the setup in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and remove all the items. Inside the package, you will find the Brother ADS-3350W scanner, automatic document feeder, ADF, AC power adapter, USB interface cable, quick setup guide, and product safety guide. Remove all the protective tapes and plastic films from the scanner. Also, open the front cover and roller cover and remove any protective material inside the machine. Make sure all accessories are included before moving to the next step. Step 2. Now let's prepare the scanner. First, attach the automatic document feeder, ADF, to the scanner. Push it firmly until it locks into place. Next, connect the AC adapter to the scanner and plug it into a power outlet. After that, extend the paper trays so the scanner can hold documents properly. Your scanner is now powered and ready for setup. Step 3. If your scanner has a touchscreen display like the ADS-3350W, you need to set the language. Follow these steps. Press Settings, then select Initial Setup. Tap Local Language. Choose your preferred language. Once selected, press Home to confirm. Now your scanner interface will appear in the selected language. Step 4. Now let's connect the scanner to your wireless network. On the scanner screen, tap Find Wi-Fi Network, then press Yes. Select your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected successfully, the display will show Connected. If your Wi-Fi network does not appear, check your router or contact your network administrator. Step 5. Next, we need to install the scanning software. Open your computer browser and visit setup.brother.com. Download the Brother scanner drivers and software. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation is complete, restart your computer. You can also download software from Mac or mobile devices from the Brother support website. Step 6. Now open the Brother scanning software on your computer. Insert your documents into the automatic document feeder. Before loading documents, fan the pages and align them properly. This helps prevent paper jams. The scanner will automatically pull the document and start scanning. Your scanned file will appear on your computer. Step 7. If you face issues during setup, try these quick fixes. Restart the scanner, restart your Wi-Fi router, check that the correct Wi-Fi password was entered. Make sure your computer and scanner are connected to the same network. If the problem continues, visit the Brother support website for firmware updates and troubleshooting guides. Important safety tips. To keep your scanner working properly, place the scanner on a flat and stable surface. Avoid placing it near water, heat sources, or dust. Use only the original Brother AC adapter. Do not expose the scanner to direct sunlight or moisture. Following these tips will help your scanner last longer. And that's it. Your Brother ADS-3350W scanner setup is now complete. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer and scanner tutorials. If you need any help with your Brother printer or scanner setup, contact our support team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.